What it do, YouTube? It's your boy GlobalRellTV checking in with yet another late night POV drive for you guys, man.
Yes!
As you guys can see, we got our first EV. We got the Mustang Mach-E. This is the premium. We're going to be going on a late night drive tonight. But first, we do need to charge this thing up because we are on a low percentage. So we're going to charge this thing up and then we're going to get this POV drive on the road. Let me give you guys a quick walk around so I can show you exactly what this Mach-E looks like.
Still knocking, nigga. Fuck you talking about?
Give you guys a quick look at the interior. I love this door handle, man, how you just push the button and pull this handle. That's very unique. I haven't seen anybody with that before. And we do get the ambient lighting up under. I wish they would have put it more on the dash as well. Alright guys, let's get this thing charged up.
Yeah, boy.
Alright guys, that's enough for the charger. So first things first. Oh, I think we want to stop it right here first.
Damn!
Alright guys, so we at 85%. We've been here for 33 minutes and 33 seconds. That's the total cost. And done. Fuck you. Lock that. That shit out. Alright guys, now let's start this late night POV drive. And I'll put my foot on the brake, press the push to start button. Feels so weird not hearing that engine, man. This is our first EV. Now that we jumped in this Mach-E, as you guys can see, we do have different modes. We have Whisper, which is the quiet mode. We have Engage, this is like your regular driving mode. And we have this Unbridled right here, which is the more aggressive mode. And this is the mode we will be driving in tonight. And guys, I always like to have a little fun. So you know I'm gonna turn that traction control off. As you guys can see right there, it is off. Now this POV drive won't be too long just due to the fact that this is an electric car. So I just wanna give you guys a quick little drive. And I also wanna change this ambient lighting color right here. If you guys go to general and you scroll down, It'll give you the option to change the color of your ambient lighting. What color should we go with today? Should we go light blue? Should we go pink? Let's go red. I'm feeling that red, man. I'm feeling that red, man. Let's get this POV drive started. Put on the brake. And we're gonna twist the dial to D for drive. And I do have the settings set to one pedal. So what that means is I don't have to use both pedals, the brake and the gas. All I have to use is the gas. And if I let go of the gas, the car will brake on its own for me. Most electric cars are like that, but you do have the option to turn that off in the settings. But let's go, guys.
Freeze, mister! Big toe!
Oh, gracious. Oh, gracious.
And off the jump, guys, we're going. This thing took off like a lightning bolt. Let me give you guys a 0 to 60 right here. 3, 2, 1, go! That's what I'm talking about, guys. We starting the video off right. Just gave you guys a quick little 0 to 60. This thing is like a roller coaster, but it's so weird. I don't really hear nothing. Like, it just goes. And we are in unbridled, so it does give off a little sound, but if I were to put it in the other modes, we won't really hear anything at all.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
I could try to show you guys that real quick right here. So let's say if I was to switch the mode, I put it in whisper. Of course it's called whisper. So it's like I don't hear anything at all. And unbridled at least gives you a little fake noise, a little more aggressiveness since you are in the more sportier mode. We're going on the highway, guys. We're not wasting any time tonight. Let's put this thing back in unbridled. Oh, hey. You guys hear that? If you're ready, I'm ready. 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 That thing is so smooth, I'm just gliding. Who's gonna stop us, guys? Let's hit it one more time. Let's get off the next exit. Get some more driving scenes for you guys. Some different scenery. Let's go. Whoa. There we go. He doesn't want any smoke with us. He doesn't want any smoke with us. Taking a cruise downtown, guys. Free him, man. Oh, free her. Oh my gosh, she look good.
Stop it. Get some help.
Free her. God damn. Free her, boy.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Let's go. And guys, if you haven't already, by the time I drop this video, the car review will be out before the late night POV drive. So if you guys want more information on this Mach-E, tune into my car review. I'll tell you more about this Mach-E and the features, all the specs, anything you'll want to know. We're gonna turn right here. And we're gone. Man, this thing jumps up the speed so quickly. This thing is like a lightning bolt. Oh man, we went from one city to the next. I know exactly where we're at now. Alright guys, the highway's coming back up, so we'll jump back onto the highway. And here goes nothing. Oh yeah. Let's go. We dogging. We dogging. We dogging. We dogging. Three, two, one. Alright guys, this video is coming to an end. I just wanted to give you guys a quick short late night POV drive. Alright guys, that is the end of this late night POV drive. And tonight we did drive the Mustang Mach-E. You guys let me know how you guys feel about this EV, and we gone.
Hey, 900, that's the game. Triple R, that's the team.